I watch all those cooking shows, and today I realized why I watch all those cooking shows. I mean, not only because I find it fascinating, but mostly because of the excellence and the care and the specifics and the brilliance and the time and the tenacity and the strength that it takes to become a Michelin star chef. It's the same strength and excellence and training and specifics and brilliance that it takes to be an award-winning actor. It takes courage to step out and truly be yourself and represent yourself as an artist, as an instrument, as a brilliant actor. Anybody who has done anything that most people don't do, they're brave. And it takes a tremendous amount of bravery to step out and be everything that you want to be. And so I want all of you to be Michelin star actors.